What's up, guys? Good morning. I wanted to make a quick video about this morning about basically what happened. This is one of my friends, actually. She's looking to learn my strategy. Hopefully, she's a student of mine soon. But as you can see, this morning at 9:12, she contacted me. She says, "Let's go." Um, this is at 9:29. I messaged her back. I'm letting her know I'm looking at ACTC. As you can see, I'm looking to jump in over go time. This is my go time strategy. So I'm jumping in above $20, and that's where I'm looking to jump in. So as you can see, this is at 9:29, 24 seconds. I took a screenshot, sent it to her, and as you can see, she says at 9:29, she says, "Let's go. Let me see what you do." And at 9:30, you can see the timestamp there, 9:30. I'm sending her this. So basically, I jumped in as soon as it popped above that $20 area. Um, and then it went all the way up to this level here is where I'm selling. Um, I sent that screenshot, and then I also sent this screenshot, which is my entry and my exit. I basically jumped in. As soon as the bell rang, I jumped in. As you can see, 9:30:03, and then I jumped out at 9:30:14. So in 11 seconds, as you can see, I jumped in at 20:36, and then I jumped out at 21:20. Almost took $1 there, which is pretty good in less than 11 seconds. Well, in 11 seconds. All right, so in and out, and I'm done for the day. So that was it for today. That was it. Let me go back. Let me go to the chart here. As you can see, I jumped in here, jumped out there. These were my entries. I jumped in at 20:36, jumped out at 21:20. Just basically, it was real quick, 11 seconds. And then this thing, this thing ended up dropping all the way down, and then it explodes, got halted over here, and then this thing's going crazy, and now it's back down again. So very choppy stock. This is why as soon as I make my profit, I'm done for the day. I am not staying around waiting for these whips to go back and forth and lose my money. So I just basically trade one strategy every single day, and typically I win. I do lose too. Don't get me wrong. I lose money sometimes, but for the most part, this strategy is a proven strategy, and I'm winning 70% of the time. I'm taking some profits. 30% of the time, I'm losing. Um, but I don't let my losses be, I'm very quick to get out if I'm taking losses. So I let my losses I cut my losses very, very, very fast. So I don't take big losses. I mean, sometimes I do, but for the most part, I win more than I lose. So this is why I love doing this. All right, so just keep it real quick with you guys. Um, I'll try to upload more videos. But again, I'm not a YouTuber, and if I don't get a bunch of likes, then I'm not motivated to do it. I rather just make money in silence. You know how we move. Anyways, I'll chat with you guys another day. Enjoy.